culture. Isn't it disgusting?
Not as disgusting as when you want to go to Dada.
Exactly.
What is wrong with you? You want to go back to the slum? Hey, they go down the train and kill each other. Come on, Dada.
But you are wrong. You are wrong. Our people are industrious and hospitable. Our land is green. Our culture and heritage is beautiful and exploitable. What more do you want me to say now?
Oma, if you hear me.
Dad,
The one gone to there. Well, I do not blame you at all. I do not blame you. It is your mother that I blame. Because if that you are sentenced for me or for us to give birth to this girl back then in Alaigbo, by now she would have been the one saying we shouldn't go back there. But no problem, oh. You are not going anywhere and that is period. Nobody knows you back there in the village. Have you asked yourself why your mother and I are still here?
Ask her.
Have you asked yourself that important question? You have not. I sold the last properties that belong to us. When my father, your grandfather, died in the war, these people have given up on rebuilding Alaigbo. Let me show. Long ago, these people know how to give up easily.
what about the Kumeku warriors?
And what about them? What about them?
The Kumeku warriors were a vibrant people, a resilient bunch. They refused to give up, refused to allow their spirits to be broken. The Kumeku warriors, they were the pride of our people. So tell me, do you still think the Igbo people give up easily? Or are they not our ancestors too?
The problem of this current generation is that they want the older generation to become just like the new generation. But where are they? Where are they? You have forgotten that this older generation, they were once youth, vibrant youth.
With all due respect, Dad.
Millennium.
Thank you.
With all due respect.
Hey.
The problem with your generation is that you forget that with every new generation comes new youthfulness. You feel that because you've grown old, everything else goes on with you. But that is wrong. That is wrong. With our generation comes new youthfulness. And you feel like book now. Can't you see? Emeka. Emeka is now a fashion designer. Obi. Obi is no longer a boy. He is now a business magnet. Ogaino. Abu. Father, they have left the shops and they are paving the way. Our warriors are no longer in our backyard. Can't you see it?
But my dear, let me tell you something. You are only but a woman. Because you can live here now. You cannot withstand the pleasure outside there. You ought to be a man to withstand any pleasure that might come your way. Open now, where you are going to is not in Europe, whereby they have a lot of lives of women, even a lot for right for good. Like the way your mother is wounding me with right.
And what do you mean by that? So, without this right, do you mean our women do not have that? They did not right?
I am just giving an example.
Take a look at my I everyone.
Who are in this house? Oh, dear. I am here for counting. Bring me your goats, your ticket, and your children for counting. I don't have time to wait.
Have you counted your mother? Yes!
Do you know who you are talking to?
Tell me, have you counted your mother?
conscious of the supreme authority of the Almighty God over all mankind, of your duty to yourselves and posterity, aware that you can no longer be protected in your lives and in your properties based outside Eastern Nigeria, believing that you are born free and have certain inalienable rights which can best be preserved by yourselves. Biafra will not betray the black man, no matter the odds, symbol of African nationalism, triumphant over its many and age-old enemies. We believe that God, humanity, and history are on our side, and the Biafra revolution is indestructible and eternal. Oh God, not my will, but thine forever.
No, no. Asị m n'ọnụ ọgwụ kirikiri ga-agbalụ ụbọchị na adịba ihe n'ihu ọnụ. Asị m ọgwụ kirikiri ga-agbalụ ụbọchị ala ihe n'ihu ọnụ. Ọgwụ alụkwụ anyị afụ ndị mmụọ ya. Asị m ọgwụ alụkwụ anyị afụ ndị mmụọ ya. Eyi ọgwụ ije na-ebu nnekwu mmọnwụ. Asị m ọgwụ ije na-ebu nnekwu mmọnwụ. Mmọnwụ na-agụ ọrụ. Mmọnwụ na-agụ ọrụ. Ije na mmọnwụ dada akwụkwọ na ọgwụ ihu ọnụ. Ụmụ Igbo n'ụlọ nwere ife. Asị m ụmụ Igbo n'ụlọ nwere ife. Ọgwụ ụlọ nwere ụba. Ụlọ nwere ebugbe ufo. Ụmụ Igbo bụ ndị elu n'ụlọ. Asị m ụmụ Igbo tetesi anụ n'ụlọ. Nụ na laruo na mma. Asị nụ na laruo na mma. Asị nụ na laruo na mma. Na-ekere ihe dịbụla eke ụmụ asịrị eke nkụ. Ọgbakọ dike kwuru elike. Kwuru ike kwuru elike ụlọ mgbọsọ ga-atọba dike. Ọgụ ụlọ mgbọsọ ga-atọba dike. Pelele dị dike mana pelele ga-edama dike. Kọkọkọkọ. Ụmụ Igbo nụrụ ọnụ mụ n'ọnụ mụ na-ara jie. Obinna! 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 Obinna gele! Obinna!
The younger generation of East Central States. I hope they heed to my happy. If they don't, the military incursion will continue, and the three eastern states is fully integrated. The Igbos have been misguided, misled by their own so-called leaders, and in this cause, they've lost many lives. Fellow countrymen, when they are fully back into our fort, let us bind their wounds and show them the right place in this federation. Long live Federation of Nigeria.
Getting down, everybody need to
instance, in his own time, he rallied the Igbos, both home and in diaspora, to come together and do something about the economic situation.
But how do they do that? How did he do that?
Ladies and gentlemen, it would appear that God has created the Igbo people to suffer, both in persecution and in victimization, because of their simple will to live. Since suffering has plagued our tribe, it is only reasonable that we sacrifice for the redemption of our children. Let's look at the statistics. We are 4 million stronger in manpower. Our agricultural resources include economic and food crops, which are the basis of modern civilization. Our mineral resources include gold, lead, iron, clay, oil, tin, and even more. Our land is blessed by waterways of world appeal. Our ports are among the best known in the continent of Africa. But in spite of all these natural advantages, which illustrates without doubt the potential wealth of Ndibo, we are economically lost in the formation of Nigeria development. We are socially ostracized, yet we force ourselves into other regions to develop them. Our meeting today is of great importance. The opportunity has been presented to us to heed to the call to resurrect our region in the manner that the next generations will not have the troubles we have been having. We need to move away from just individual development and embrace an inclusive mission to save our future. We can build schools, roads, railways, hospitals for ourselves without waiting for the government. Hence, I propose we put this to test by calling on our brothers and sisters, both at home and in diaspora, to build the first airport in southeast Nigeria. I call on all people of Igbo descent to embrace this great goal.
My name is Nnanda Okafor. I am supporting this motion with the sum of 200,000.
Thank you. Chairman, I'm supporting with the sum of 500.
I am Lady Gladys. I represent the People's Club of Nigeria. I support this development with the sum of 5,000.
It's okay. Now we have contributed to this project. It will start effective immediately. Yes. Now, may Alaigbo continue to move forward. May we progress.
When we say he is a seal to our prayers. We do not proclaim with shivering lips, an evidence that our mother tongue is still intact, like a child firmly strapped to her mother's back. As our ancestors marched in Durban Great Georgia, one step synonymous to bravery, the next step synonymous to revolution and rebellion. Broke with bare hands, jaws and bones of the men who taught us that Samson broke jaws with bones. They shapeshifted from humans to lions and tigers without magic, rewriting the history embedded in the depths of folklores, redefining the misconceptions beneath the enviousness of those who call us proud. Today we say the prayers the 75 warriors made to the waters, calling home where safety lies. May the Spirit lead us like striking earth with chalk and care only after war. May we resurrect the freedom to innovate and expand. May we develop and thrive in all sectors, all in solidarity and unity, as we continue to evolve in greatness. You see, we can do anything we put our hearts to if we can just come together. Yes.
Is that so? Because of one project was achieved and you want to target that many can be achieved. No! What about others that did not see the light of day? What about others? Ada, I don't want to start to be remembering what I'm trying to forget. I don't want to try it. Because 300 acres of land wasted and selling off plantation catch on India. I don't want to even talk about the road transportation. We contributed money. The villagers contributed money. A huge sum of money. We gave it to Okonkwo, hoping that if we do work, he is going to build the road. What did Okonkwo do? Okonkwo ran away with our money. Okonkwo ran away with our money.
But that good men are still rising.
Oh.
Yes, good men rise every day. Take for example, the likes of Philip Alaigbo, Obinna Ege, Guy of Shipwesen, even Kafaya, you can't know that prison.
You want to
Nnamdi Kanu, thank you. He has been in the spotlight of recent.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. You are right though. Upon Nnamdi Kanu Kodolo, Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. Yes, he's in prison. Because he's fighting for us. A good fight. I follow you making him for China prison. They locked him up in the prison. But there are some approaches that he's using that I'm not in support of before they will come and say that I'm 100% support. I am not 100% support, my dear. But what I am trying to tell you is that we did not see ourselves together. You see the Igbo people, we are not united. We are not united, so it is not going to work. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Young man, what is that your name again?
My name is Chidi.
Chidi Amechi.
Yes, sir.
Chidi, are you Igbo?
Yes, sir. I am Igbo, proudly Igbo.
You are very proud.
You know it's a good thing to be proud of one's heritage.
Very good. Chidi,
Yes, sir.
now that you are proud, what are you doing in my office?
I came for the interview.
Which interview? Is there any job interview here? Chidi, you can go. Leave my office. There's no interview. There's no job. Go, 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 go.
But my friends, true, I'm Tunde and Ame just left here.
That is Tunde now. And that is Ahmed. You are Chidi. Chidi Amechi. There is no work for Chidi Amechi in this office. Chidi Amechi, go home. Thank you.
They don't even look at my CV qualifications.
Let me see the scene. Chidi, there is no job. Go home.
Hey. But sir, I'm a first class graduate.
And so?
With 2 years working experience.
Chidi, that is my problem with all you Igbo people. That is my problem. You don't have a job and yet you are proud. You don't have a job and you want to teach me my job, Chidi. Chidi, I know all of you. I know all Igbo people. Chidi, carry yourself and leave my office.
But sir,
Hey, Chidi! Chidi! Chidi!
calm down. Let me, okay.
Chidi, leave my office now. Is that chief that you did not tell me? That chief will chicken you out of this my office. I know all of you. I know all the people. See, if I give this one a job now, give him 3 months, he will become my organ. There is no how I can allow any Igbo man to have a job in this company. Chidi, there is no work for you. I know you. If I give you small privilege, you will collect the full village. Chidi, you are slavery at all. You heed your betrayer and Liza. That's about the man from Northeast to run. But people must be president. It's either me or none of us. Will the Igbo tribe ever be seen beyond this stereotype? Our senators live in Abuja, yet somehow forget to visit Kuje. In the West and North, they cripple our movement. Yet here, we echo no movement. Then I ask, and sitting at home, brought home our dear son. You will know that Ahmed is a brother to Mohammed, that Memi is a brother to Kemi, but somehow, Wike is not a brother to Dike. Who wants to be one of Igbo is Igbo, but don't be Igbo is not Igbo. Ikemba has handed the battle, but we join others to do this handle. We don't cause this chaos. But vocabulary has only you or I, there is no room for us. There is no room for us. There is no room for us.
That is what I have been saying. That is what I have been hammering on. We Igbos, we do not like ourselves at all. Instead of us to embrace national building, rather we are howling in tribal sentiment, killing and kidnapping anybody that says the truth. Yes! Yes!
But I still believe there's something I can do. There's something that has to be done.
Okay.
Yes. And it will not be done from here. I have to go home to do it. I have made up my mind.
Hey.
I am leaving. I will go to Alaigbo and do what needs to be done. Whether you come with me.
My daughter, I am beginning to see points in these things you've been saying.
Just like
And I
that.
am struggling behind you. I'm looking at you. We are going back to Alaigbo and we'll review the Alaigbo.
Let me give you the last word before you step your foot out of this place. A child that wants to run must first of all do what? Learn how to plot and even walk before he will run away. Are you getting it? I will be here and see how you are rebuilding of Alaigbo will come to limelight or whatever they call it. I will be here. I want to join now. This is about the Lord.
Let's go.
They are leaving me all here in the
My people, these people, they are our own people. And here we are, shouting, kill them, kill them, kill them. Why?
They deserve to die.
It's a lie.
They deserve to die.
It's a lie. Are they the cause of our misfortune? No.
Yes, sir.
My people, you see, these people, we are going to execute your plan. But before that, I would like to ask just 2 questions. The first is, you all know that these people were not arrested. They were kidnapped from their various villages. So I'm asking now, who kidnapped them? Unknown! Unknown? Okay. Who ordered their arrest?
Our government.
Our government. A government we elected, but we don't have grip of. You see, my people, it is not in our culture to jump into conclusion. Yes, before we execute these ones, we will hear their own side of story.
Yes.
Ready?
Can we be coordinated? At least, let us hear them speak their final words. Please, use big words.
What do you call the art of
was revenge.